Hi there. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you my new favorite Svelte component library. And like it says here, it's a work in progress, but that's how most of the component libraries are right now for Svelte. So feel free to help out, do a pull request, give it a star. So the reason I like it so much is that it's very simple. All you need to do is install svelte-MUI, MUI, I think Material UI. And once you've done that, you can start importing it and using the components right away. So it's really straightforward. This is how I think any component library should be. Um, so like I said, install it, and then after that, you can, just like this, import button or import checkbox, whatever you want, from svelte-MUI/source. So if you're using just Svelte, you can do it from just svelte-MUI, but if you're using Sapper, you have to do it like this, /source. Okay, so remember that. So let me just show you a few things that you can do. It is a very lightweight library. It's around 30 kilobytes min zipped. So here I imported button, date picker, side panel, dialog, snack bar. So for all of these, so side panel, you can put whatever you want there inside of a side panel. For all of these, you just need to bind visible. So there's a side panel, there's show dialog, you can put whatever you want in there, and there's a snack bar. It can be on the top or it can be the bottom. And then here's a date picker. If you make it smaller, it'll become smaller like that. And there's other things as well. So buttons can be lots of different ways. There's menu, radio button. You can come and check this out. Text field. So it is a kind of small component library, but hopefully the creator will be adding to it, and you can help out if you want. So I just wanted to make you aware of this library, and let me know if you use it, if you like it, and that is all.